lay this out is for the automation. I'm going to launch in the middle of this pad here for both operations. We'll walk over to the tower. We're going to do a 2-minute calibration. So that is 10 meters forward, 90-degree turn.
Assisting Dan, the chief pilot for the operation, I'm going to be his eyes and ears, but I can stand next to him and I can monitor the environment, look at the other safety observers. So cars arriving or leaving, people walking towards where we're working that might get in the way.
Next point.
Brad is connecting using the supplied Ethernet cable, the laptop, into the GeoMMS payload, and we're going to use that to retrieve and check the LiDAR data and the GPS IMU data as well. Make sure the file structure is good and that they recorded the files properly. And we have also take the data off there, and we're actually going to think about uploading it to get it processed as well.
What I'm holding here is our GeoMMS mobile mapping product. And it's a sensor fusion system which includes a new sensor called LiDAR. We have a GPS-aided inertial navigation system that we build, and a data link is here as well. So we have some unique capabilities built into our system. One of them is called real-time point density mapping, which is a visual display to the user, or the pilot effectively, of the drone that shows them in real time the data that they're getting, so that they can identify if there's any missing areas in their laser scan that maybe need to be overflown again in order to make sure that they have that right data.
We had this recording its position in GPS in the field while the drone was flying. We've got to do two things with that data. One of them is send it up to the internet and get a true actual position back. So that's a one position thing. So we know the truth point. And then the other thing is to have a log of data for the same time the drone's flying, and using the truth point, the log of data, that means we can calculate the errors from it. We can correct the drone with those same error corrections, and that's how we're going to correct the point cloud on the GPS front.
Great mission out here in San Diego today. We did an NDI inspection of a Cellcom tower, 4G Cellcom tower. We used an M600 and laser with LiDAR capabilities, and also zoom RGB capabilities. And the technology is absolutely fantastic.